How to join TeamSpeak server? As usual, you have to install it first. I have already installed and I pinned here, as you can see. Open it, connection, connect. Type this in the server name, voice.teamspeak.com. Choose your nickname, connect. It's gonna take you to the general server or default channel. Right click here, create channel. Nice name. Choose password. Now I'm choosing 1111. Okay. And that's how you create a channel. Now you find a channel. Let's see this channel creators. No idea what is the password of this, but so how to find this channel. First I need to disconnect from here. Good. I'm opening it again. Creators. Remember the name. Creatives. Connect. Same procedure. It's gonna take me to the default channel. Take it, bro. Yep. You are not going to create it. There is a creators. Switch channel. If you know the password, now you can join it. That's how you're gonna find a channel and join. Creating a channel, you don't have to be this much creative also. You can name any shit like this. Be password 1111111111. And again, that's how easy it is. That's all.